7 days without a taco makes 1 week. Hey, we're making tacos today on The Cooked Goose. Hey, thank you for coming back on another episode of The Cooked Goose. I'm your host, Alex, and today we are making pineapple chorizo street tacos. Oh yes, pineapple chorizo street tacos. And I cannot wait to make them and share them with you. All right, let's get into it. First, cutting onions into slices. Peel off onion skin, then cut in half. Take 1/2 and cut it down the middle with the root base on. Then, lengthwise, cut into strips. Added touch, take some of the slices and dice them up for the topping on the taco. Next, pineapple slices. Cut slices into bite-sized cubes. This will allow the seasoning from the chorizo to embed into the pineapple, causing the pineapple to express its sweet flavors. Cilantro time. Take 1/4 cilantro bunch and create a pile on the cutting board. First cut and back and forth motion. Once you have that, cut rapidly with one hand on top of the knife and move knife while cutting. Unfortunately, I do not have cotija cheese. I use sharp cheddar for the substitution. We are going to sprinkle this on our street tacos. My favorite sauce, avocado salsa verde. You can get this at any store or just use regular salsa verde, works as well. Now for the best part, the chorizo. For 2 people, I use 3/4 or a pound to cook. Go to your local Hispanic grocery store or other grocery chain in their meat department to get the best quality. Put down non-stick pan and heat to medium-high to high with spreading a bit of olive oil to get it going. Once that oil starts to get hot, put in your chorizo. Spread the chorizo evenly on the pan so it's evenly cooked. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to a touch. Chorizo is already seasoned, so you don't need to add a lot. Once you see it start to cook, blend and mix around so it's all evenly heated and cooked. Then throw in your onion for that next step. Once the onions are about al dente, throw in your pineapple. This will allow the pineapple to caramelize as well as mix with the flavors of the onion as well as the chorizo. Like ground beef, chorizo can clump together, so make sure you are cutting and mixing while you're cooking your chorizo. Once you see the chorizo, pineapple, and onions start to cook, throw in a little bit of lime. Lime never hurts to add into any Hispanic dish. When you're at that point in the dish where you start to see things really break down, put it down to about medium-low to low. Nice low and slow will really expand those flavors with the pineapple, onion, as well as the chorizo. While your chorizo is cooking low and slow and you start to see those oils come out of that, make sure you're putting your tortillas on a nice hot pan using your tongs. This will make a nice little toasted tortilla and sure to be a real good treat. Once you feel like the chorizo and everything is all cooked, place aside because it will still be cooking. Once you have that, place more of your tortillas on that hot pan and finish off. Alright, first, each taco must have 2 tortillas. Because of how thin the tortillas are, you want to have a nice 2 double layer taco. Place your chorizo meat with the pineapple and the onion and spread evenly in the middle. Next, add in your diced onion as well as your sharp cheddar or your other cheeses as well if you prefer. Then sprinkle on that verde salsa as well as the cilantro, and there you have it. And always with street tacos, you gotta have some lime with it as well. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Look at the verde here. The nice little, that sharp cheddar. And look at that caramelized pineapple. All that seasoning in there went right into the pineapple. This looks awesome. All right, and of course with any street taco, you gotta use the lime. Squirt a little lime on there because you always need to have lime with the taco. There we go. All right. Let's see here. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Got pineapple. Oh, and that fresh onion. It's really good. And the background flavor of that salsa verde. This is wow. Give me a second. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. You have to make this. This is great. Now, of course, my mouth is watering. I need to talk about the drink pairings. So, of course, going with the alcoholic version, you can't go wrong. Light Mexican beer, especially with the chorizo, especially with the fruit and the onions in it. Gotta go with the Corona. So, pop open one of these. Can't beat it. And of course, non-alcoholic version, because you have the pineapple in there and the lime, go with Sprite. Nice lemony lime mixture, easy and sweet. You can't go wrong. Well, I think that wraps up for today for our pineapple chorizo street tacos. And thank you so much for tuning in today. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments. Love to hear you what you want me to make you. Remember to always stay hungry.